Hello, students. So we are here discussing a very important question. This is the question. This kind of concept come often in JEE and NEET also. So you should know about this type of questions. This is a question from mathematical dimensional analysis, right? First chapter. So there a equation is given. Force is given a to the power small a, b to the power small b, d to the power small c, where a is area, v is velocity, and d is density. Now we have to calculate. Just a second. Yes. Now what we need to calculate is what is the value of a, b, and c. Now there is two ways to do the question. First, we'll do the proper way where we'll do the dimension analysis. Force we'll write as force equal to a to the power a, velocity to the power b, density to the power c. Now area dimension length square, velocity dimension length per unit time, and density dimension mass per unit volume. So left hand side we'll write the dimension of force dimension. Force is mass times acceleration, right? As force is mass times acceleration. For mass we have m, and for acceleration we have L t to the power minus 2. Now you put the dimension of force, area, velocity, and density, and you make a equation. You put the m first, m to the power c is coming, length L to the power 2a is coming, here b is coming, here minus 3c is coming, and time to the power minus b is coming, right? So this is the equation we get. Here this side m to the power 1, L to the power 1, t to the power minus 2. Here this side c to the power m to the power c. So c equal to 1, length L to the power 1, c equal to 1 first we get from m, because left hand side will be equal to right hand side. Next, L to the power 1, so 2a plus b minus 3c equal to 1, and t to the power minus b. So 2 minus b equal to minus 2, so b equal to 2. And putting 2 and 1, this value of c and b in this equation, you are getting the value of a, that is equal to 1. So option is correct. From there, doing entire calculation, we have found that option is correct. Now if you notice, you don't have to do all the calculation, and you can directly just analyze, just put this equation, and this equation we are getting, because area, velocity, and density are putting here. Now already options are given. So here mass to the power 1. So here mass is only we have in c. So c has to be equal to 1. So first this equation cannot, we do, d is wrong, this is wrong. So now either a is correct or c is correct. Then c in a, if you see b to the power 2. So b if 2, then t to the power, you just put b equal to 2, and then you check it with the equation. If b is equal to 2, then are we getting the right equation? If c equal to 1, are we getting the right equation? C equal to 1, we already get c equal to 1, right? All the places this is also c equal to 1. So here is also c equal to 1, here is also c equal to 1, fine. So these three can be right, this is wrong. Now a equal to 1, if you put, can a be 0 or 2? If a equal to 0, then L equal to 0 and b equal to 1. Could that be the solution? A equal to 0 and b equal to 1. If you just put it here, a equal to 0, c equal to 3, sorry, c equal to 1 and b equal to 3. You are not getting the first one. So like this, you can put the options in the question and you can calculate. This is not like which question you can solve easily, you can solve it like this, but in some questions, you can just use the answers, the options and figure out like put put the options in the equation and see this is wrong, this is wrong. Like trial and error, we can solve it. These tricks can be very useful in JEE and NEET. So if you just practice this kind of tricks enough, it might help you in your exams. Okay, we'll discuss this kind of questions also again. So check the next videos. Thank you.